Job well done, yeah?
Two shits. What are you gonna call it? Massachusetts.
Spell fruit.
I'll blame it on the alcohol.
Wagwan. Push me. Why you watching me?
Wait, let me go in front of you. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Yeah.
But this a what?
Close your eyes.
See, let me pull it over here, I can't see. Trouble!
Don't touch my face. You can open it now.
Trouble! Yo, hold on. Skrrr! This one. Universal settings. Come this, my love it, come. Job well done, yeah? You earn the money this month, yes. Right. Gift present, balloons, Raffaello, Ferrero. Oh my days, love it. King shit, you see, yeah? Find your woman who knows what she's doing, innit? Love it. Brilliant news.
You see a card?
I see it. I see it. I'm grateful as well. This is very, very, very touching. I love it. I'm happy you're mine as well. Go chill. I thought it sounded like so easy.
Keep up, come on, keep up.
Listen, boss. Get up.
Listen, what a little boy drinking something for Christmas medicine.
One of my best friends gifted us one night stand up in a hotel. Such a beautiful gift. But we can't enjoy it just yet, so we're probably gonna go next year. She bought a voucher. I was so surprised. Like, she my best gift. Belum got a bed. Yeah, belum got a bed. Praise be to God. Thank you. love again. Something like a
But you ain't smelling your belch to know if they stink, if they smell or not. But I'm telling you that some belches is wicked stink.
Some, yes, some belch, but my belch, you know my smell? I don't mean to offend anybody, but it's when you stop bad stomach, your belch will smell.
Bad stomach. Your belch can smell regardless of bad stomach.
No,
Yes.
Bad and garlic.
Mommy get a pass. No, she don't get no pass. She's too bad.
I told you, my people are right there. I told you to back me. I told you.
You go with green tomorrow?
You can pay me to go with green tomorrow.
You see? There go our Instacart.
Yes, no, she done him now. She done him. She done him now. She done him. She done him. She done him. She have not done him now. Beg him.
They're Instacart. It's true. Now we know we're guaranteed to get our order right.
Yes, you see how these Americans are just bright and pasty? Implement and out of order. What do you mean? What is
Instacart.
You know what I mean?
Instacart. We never go and get our groceries and
I'm
bring it
telling you
back.
about to the people when they across the border. Yeah? On the lucky, people don't even get next into the border. On the lucky. Yeah. You Americans are feisty. Not you. No, stop, mommy with the jokes. Where is he from? He's a Bostonian. Is that what you
I'm
call
a
him?
Bostonian from Massachusetts.
He's a Bostonian from Massachusetts. What are you gonna call it? Massachusetts. Remember when she did a donation and she was like, I never had nothing to imp. When she get the letter, Donna. So she got a donation and she's like, Massachusetts. I love Auntie Donna, but it was funny. She got Massachusetts. I can't lie though, to be honest, that word is very hard to spell. Massachusetts.
Yeah, it's an Indian word.
People, mom been drinking alcohol. You know, she can't drink and she keep on choking on the alcohol, you know?
Careful.
Hey, and you hard to spell it now?
There's M-A-S-S something.
What was that? I'll get it right.
It's
I know that I can't spell it. I can't spell to save my life, you know.
You can't spell it. I don't even live there.
Alright, because it's spelling competition. Spell.
Massachussetts.
Alright, you spell it.
Alright, Massachusetts. Me thinking I'm not. I think it's spelled like this. M-A-S-S, Massa, with another A. Massa. C-H-E-T-T-E-S.
Oh, you to see. You said J.
What we're gonna get?
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts.
I can't spell that word.
Massachusetts.
And M-A.
S-S-A.
S-S-A.
C-H.
C-H.
E-U.
E-U.
S-E.
S-E.
T-T-E.
T-T-E.
I feel like Tootsie goes the nearest,
Alright.
you know.
Alright, D. For D, so remember. P-P. Let me try it now. So, M-A-S-S-A-S.
Me lose that song. No, mommy. That's not how you spell Massachusetts.
Wait, C-H-U-S-S-E-T.
It is spelled
It spells M-A-S-S-A-C-H-U-S-E-S-E-T-T-S.
One S.
One, yeah.
What? Let me see how they'll get it wrong. Everybody wrong.
So who comes the closest?
Everybody wrong.
Who comes the closest?
Are you spell them right?
No, but
Don't spell the character except for me and the E.
No, Tuesday, you, let me see now.
Take out the E out there.
Let me see how you spell it.
Take out the E out there.
Let me see. M
No,
A
to spell.
A C.
I think I come the closest.
No,
You think I come the
Let's
closest?
take it to go to E or to H.
Hey, I just only have one extra
Yes,
S.
you're right.
I'm not.
No,
one
you're
extra
right,
S.
you're right.
I'm have an extra E, you know what I mean?
I
No,
don't
you're right.
even know.
No, let me say me right. Let me say me right. MASSASCHUS.
Massachusetts. Yes.
No, worry about
So
it.
who win? Who come the closest?
Who come the
No,
closest?
me come the closest.
No, you did
Alright,
not.
look at some Mississippi.
I'm like this. We'll find
Mrs. M, Mrs. I, Mrs. S, S, I, Miss.
You.
What?
Where's
What
the
is that?
No, I'm going to say Mississippi spell. Alright, come
Yeah.
again.
Mrs. S, Miss M,
Mississippi spell.
M, yeah. Mrs. M, Mrs. I, Mrs. S, S, I, Mrs. P, Mrs. I.
I told you.
What?
Wrong.
Hold on,
Tell me wrong.
When I spell fruit.
I'll blame it on the alcohol.
Nice.
Wanna guess what me collect?
Money?
Nah,
What?
my degree. I'm a big A, I have a degree now. Me does remember now. Me does remember people. I have a big law degree.
If I didn't remember that,
Sitting in my room, you know. Make me sure no, hold on.
Oh, so what the combi?
Oh God, you're really hungry, not true. Me can't have your guests and not feed them, you know. It's bad mannerism.
I know. Right?
No.
Bad mannerism in the people.
How much I eat for money?
One time.
Jesus!
You only
It's
cook
bad
that
mannerism.
Come in again this evening.
But
Me
that's
just remember say I'm a graduate, you know. Me not so dumb, you know, people. I'm not so dumb because I'm a big degree, you know, people.
No, it's dangerous.
Make me sure I'm a degree.
I mean, go get it. I know you give it.
How
to
much
me.
have you give drinks? I'll see how much
Hold on
alcohol
then.
you give.
One drink.
I just remember that me is a girl with my big degree, you know. Backside. Yeah. I haven't graduated yet because obviously the Rona. Oh, we can't hide my name now. Because you know it says great, but you can't really show people your entire name on the internet.
Take it 10 minutes.
Should I take it?
Alright.
Pussy,
Let me try hide my.
Not yet.
you want to have a dinner?
No, wait.
Okay.
Save your bag. And I even let you
Oh my,
read the content
what's
of your
that? Me
chair.
get a ratty cut. Where this come from? Who cut me? I haven't cut a...
Not a team or so I enter the machine cut yourself.
Oh yeah, yesterday, innit? Shit, I just remembered, yeah. What does an American need to go to? What do you need to come to England as an American?
Nothing.
Not a
Just need
thing.
to have a passport.
Not a thing.
At
Dirty
least 6
people.
months validity
Oh,
on
me
your
not
passport.
cause we subscribe.
That's all you need.
It's American. No,
American passport holders, you need at least 6 months on your passport.
Do you know when I was going to primary school, yeah, they used to call me Bugs Bunny Teeth, you know, I just remember.
Jesus Christ, how funny.
You know, kids are mean, you know. I'm actually deep in it. Kids are so mean. Cause my two front teeth are quite big.
You know, they used to call me in high school, no, high school, elementary. You know, Dumbo the elephant. You know, I was so pissed.
No, sir. Our police are nasty.
Well, the ears big.
Yeah, for my size head, yes it was. Dumbo the elephant, that was so bad.
No, we
That's
can't laugh.
funny.
Yeah.
No,
You know
sir.
Dumbo the elephant? You know Dumbo?
Of course, no, Dumbo.
What Dumbo?
No, where is it tonight?
That's rude, you know, Dumbo the elephant. That's rude, but yeah, they used to call me Bugs Bunny Teeth. They say I got Bugs Bunny Teeth.
So you know what they go to the body and go to people.
No, 'cause I was quite rude in primary school, so I dealt with them.
Okay.
I was a very rude child, you know.
Oh.
But you see, God's grace and mercy, I'm telling you, because I was a very rude child.
I was so tired to you know. And when I'm on time, I became go to school, I'm going to work and I became to go walk and the people 1,500 miles. Either them. By the time if you reach on the car, they reach at school already.
Yeah, because they were walking too slow.
Really?
Yeah.
That was terrible. And time when you go slam the doors, then the things of judgment that come.
No, 'cause you know what they used to do to me, yeah? When I used to live with my cousin people, yeah? If you're from England, you will know. But EastEnders finish at 7 o'clock. 7:30, yeah? I know what Dumbo looks like.
What are you?
Very rude.
I'm telling you, yes, people know you still got to fight.
Very
So what they
rude.
used to do to me,
No.
when EastEnders used to finish, whether it's 8 o'clock or 7:30, after that I would have to go to my bed.
You don't know them.
So what I used to do, I used to climb the stairs, go in the room, get my mum's lipstick, and I used to mark up the walls and the mirrors with her bright lipstick, you know. I used to just mark it up, and when the anger left me, I went to bed. Cause why are you sending me to bed? Why are you sending me to bed? I remember the first time I got alcohol in my system, and my cousins thought they wouldn't go to prison. It was the funniest thing ever. What did they give me? I think it was bear or something. I think I was about 8 years old, and my eyes was rolling back, you know. Hey, one of the men in the house. Oh shit! We dead now. We're going to prison now. Who the killer then is that? Who the killer? No, but it's true. It was a funny night. It was a funny night. Did they tell you?
You can't recall me. One day me,
They must have told you, mommy. I was like 7 or 8. And I can't remember what I drank, and my eyes was rolling back, and they were so shook. They must have told you. Did they tell you?
I can't remember his damn key years.
They must have told you. I'm sure they told you. That was a good day for me. If I start telling you what my names were, we would not finish. Listen, I used to have Bugs Bunny. I got called Fatty Boom Boom. Who these names, you know? Kids are cruel, you know. Kids are so evil. Like, no, kids are actually so evil. They look cute, yeah, but they're very evil. Kids are very evil. The things that come out their mouth is very rude. That's why I couldn't be a teacher, because I'm sorry. I could not have these kids. Because I know what we did to our teacher, like our French teacher. Oh, our French teacher got it. I remember one day, she actually left the room crying. But obviously, it wasn't really, I wasn't really involved. I was a good child-ish in school. I was called Mud Duck.
Mud Duck?
Mud Duck? What's that? What is that? What's a Mud Duck?
What's
that?
Because duck not going to mud. That's normal, isn't it?
That's normal. Why did they call you? That's rude, though.
Mud Duck.
Why did they call you a Mud Duck? A Mud Duck? Hey, kids! I tell you, kids are wicked, you know.
Mud Duck.
The kids are so bad, man. And then they go home to their parents and they're all innocent, and they're just so nice and pretty and
then
cute.
Innocent, and then you go in yard now. Call one and say, oh, you call my child this and that. The parents swear to them. No, not my child. My child wouldn't do such a thing, whatever. Yeah,
oh my gosh, kids are rude. No, kids are really rude, you know. That's rude. And I think I got the name Bugs Bunny because I used to twitch my nose a lot in school. You know the twitching thing I could do my nose, like twitch. You see? It just jumps. Alright, run true now. I think I've spoken enough. 20 minutes of me talking. A mud duck was an ugly girl. That's out of order, you know.
That's an ugly person.
People are rude.
Because naturally duck going mud, isn't it?
Yeah. Girl, you flat. I bet they wish to see you now, though.
I tell you.
They ain't on your caliber now, though. I bet they ain't even up on your level right now, though. I tell you, kids are rude.
Let's go do again. Right now, we can't get the phone.
He's hungry. You gotta feed him. You know the Americans have a big appetite.
We do.
Guys, I went to America and they come out with the wings then. I was so embarrassed.
What you man?
My appetite disappeared. The wings then were big. I was so shocked. I was like,
feel love, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you feel lonely.
When the boy get bright enough.
Bye.
What are you guys doing for the anniversary besides this live? Nothing really, to be honest. Because of the here, we're on lockdown, so there's nothing to do. So we just celebrate. But next year we're gonna have a late. Well, we're anniversary next year as well, isn't it?
Hey,
I don't know.
no, please,
But
please don't serve them more alcohol for night.
Oil?
What?
Is it
Say
oil?
for incense, have you?
Oil?
Say for oil.
What is it?
Listen to him. You're too nice to make the one of them minutes smiles me.